What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will give you a tutorial how to create Tombow Mono Zero eraser at home. It's very easy to do that. So for that we need cutter, pen and usual rubber because it's very useful for our professional drawing. Thank you very much guys. So let's see how to create Tombow Mono Zero at home. Thank you. Okay, to create Tombow Mono Zero eraser, we can create two types of them. So we have rectangular and circle. To create this, we need rubber. I have brand new rubber, so we open the rubber. We have brand new pen, so I prepare pen and also knife or cutter to make this. So let's see how we can start with taking the pen. We remove the refill. We have empty pen now. I will try with my knife. Perfect. So now we have properly Tombow Mono Zero eraser. We're taking the rubber and we make like a sample. As you can see here is like a circle round, and also you can make as long as you like to be. We need to go this, so we're doing another. Okay, actually we don't need this, we need only the small rectangular piece. So now we can put inside of the pen. We need to remove very slowly, like you sharp your pencils. Of course, if you don't have sharpener, what we're looking for, we're looking to make close as we can, same as Tombow Mono Zero eraser. So let's see, very easy way to create your own Tombow Mono eraser at home. It's not hard at all because we're using most of the Tombow Mono Zero eraser very sharp. So we try to make model like Tombow Mono Zero eraser. Be careful, if you're using the cutter, it might be very sharp. So make sure you're not doing any mistakes. I sharp this, so I make closer to Tombow Mono Zero eraser. Now I need to remove the corners. Actually try to make round as you can, so you can fit in a pan. Hopefully this tutorial can help. We take the refill from the pan and we adjust till you get a little bit out. So as you can see, I have very nice model replica Tombow Mono Zero eraser. Now you can put back the lids from the back. Also, we try this to see if it's working, because everything we build should work. So we have here Tombow Mono Zero replica and we have original one. I made a sample, so we use this replica on HB grade from graphite. We're using on 6B grade same graphite and charcoal pencil as well. So I will take original, of course, should working because it's original one. On the charcoal, Tombow Mono Zero is working a little bit harder, but if you try more times, should work. Okay, let's try this as well. Yes, it's working. On the charcoal as well, we try to see. Yes, it's working as well. So we will try on a sample to see how is it, but I will sharp more. Of course, my opinion is to use very hard eraser. Mine looking is very soft, so this is not really good, but I couldn't find a good one. I will try on this sample. I did a few months ago. Very beautiful drawing. So I will build another water drops for you guys with this Tombow Mono Zero to see if it's working. Also, to creating a water drops we need, of course, eraser, and you can use mechanical pencil. I'm using Faber-Castell mechanical pencil. So let's try this replica Tombow Mono Zero eraser, and we create another water drops here. Very slowly when you're doing details, guys. To create water drops, my advice is to clean with eraser the size of the water drops, so you can build with pencils or mechanical pencils. Okay, now only we need to bring a few details to make more real. So let's make some shadows down on the bottom. We're doing a bit shadow on the top to make more real. And of course, we add some shadow inside of the bubble to make more realistic. Now we're using blending stump, very soft, to blend the graphite on the paper to build like a shadow. Of course, you can use dry brush as well. It's working the same. And now for the final step, if you need, just adjust with the Tombow Mono for highlights more. I mean replica, of course. And now I bring harder outline for details. So yes, it's possible to create your own Tombow Mono Zero at home. Now you know how to do it. So if you can't buy and if you don't have enough money, very easy to create this Tombow Mono Zero at home. Also, you can use this for more details, as highlights, as hair, or anything you like. You know what for is Tombow Mono Zero. If I'm creating more highlights in here, I can create more details, so it will be more realistic drawing. Thank you very much, guys, for this tutorial. Hope you like and enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and you will find more the same tutorials and also speed video as well. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.